Texas, Governor Greg Abbott signed an order doubling down on transgender restrictions. Governor Abbott says families and medical professionals should face abuse investigations for providing gender-affirming health care options for transgender children. Right now, the state's Department of Family and Protective Services says there are no open cases at this time. It's still unclear how and whether the orders would be enforced, but it is facing sharp backlash. We are bringing in now a panel to unpack the order. Joining me now, State Representative Jasmine Crockett. She represents House District 100, and Lee Merritt. He is a civil rights attorney who's also running to be the next Attorney General for the state of Texas. Lee, starting with you, what's the motivation behind this for Governor Abbott?
Well, this is political season for the governor, and he's trying to win a primary election. And so he's feeding red meat to his base. They've used the trans community in Texas as a convenient punching bag because, most people will see this and say, well, that doesn't impact me, despite how utterly vile his actions are. It's someone they know they can pick on without a huge community response. And I think we should be giving them the opposite.
And sticking with you, there are no cases. So is he making an issue out of a non-issue?
Just like the voting integrity myth, where they've spent millions of dollars to enforce, to investigate voter fraud that doesn't exist. This is another one of those instances where it's purely political. It's a misinterpretation of the law of the child. Obviously, it's a misinterpretation of the law. It's unconstitutional, and no, they don't have to rely on any actual instances of abuse. It's just a convenient punching bag.
Jasmine, we still don't know exactly how this would even be enforced, but what message are we giving to our transgender youth?
Oh, we're absolutely telling them that they don't matter. In fact, I think that for a country that says that we are against bullies, we've got some of the biggest and worst bullies in the state of Texas in the form of so-called public servants that are elected officials. There is never a reason to beat up on children. And we spent special session after special session doing just that, going after our transgender children. In fact, what the governor is trying to do is he is trying to single-handedly enact a law that never, ever came to fruition. There was a similar law that they were trying to push that never got out of the House and let alone to the Senate. And so now he's unilaterally trying to do so. And it's unacceptable. And it's really sad that I've had so many children that have come to the Capitol to testify against bills such as the one that he's attempting to act like is currently into law. And I also want to point out that my district attorney here in Dallas County, DA Cruzo, has specifically stated today that he will not prosecute any case where it seems like it was born out of this misguided abuse of power that the governor is trying to effectuate right now.
And those youth that you referred to, tell us some of their stories. What have they shared with you?
Man, what's really sad is that I have a little girl named Libby. And Libby, for some time, has really been the poster child for anti-trans legislation in the state of Texas. She first started testifying down at the Capitol when it came time to talk about the bathroom bill. And her, as well as her younger sister, have been coming to the Capitol, and her younger sister is trying to stand up for her. But let me tell you, Libby, who actually has signed to Nike, she recently signed a contract with Nike as one of their spokespersons, but she is one of the bravest little girls. But to have her break down and tell me things such as she's having a hard time sleeping because she really just doesn't know if she can really afford to stay in Texas anymore. And her parents are saying, we're going to stay in this fight because people need to have our voices heard. But no child should be concerned and crying about the fact that she doesn't believe that her state loves her or cares about her, but instead is picking on her. We pointed out to many of the members this session that they would be doing more harm than good simply because we know that among our trans youth, in fact, our LGBTQIA youth community, they experience an alarming rate of homelessness as well as mental health crises already. And this is only adding to the problems that exist in their lives. And it's really unfortunate and it's uncalled for.
And Lee, I want to ask this question to you. What sort of social safety nets are available for youth out there to help them?
Well, I want to piggyback on what Jasmine said, which is the Dallas County prosecutor said he's not going to prosecute these cases. The Harris County prosecutor, Christian Menifee, acknowledged that the governor's manipulation of the law was a misinterpretation and is unenforceable. The Texas ACLU has spoken out adamantly against this. If you are experiencing any claims, you can contact my office. As a civil rights attorney, we continue to fight against these abuses of the law. Texas often thinks of itself as a state all on its own that does not have to operate under the authority of federal law. This is clearly a violation of multiple federal statutes, including the Americans with Disabilities Act, including the Civil Rights Act, Section 1863. And so there are people at the ready prepared to stand up for these families.
Talk about also, Lee, the impact that this is having on educators. What predicament does this put them in?
Well, this law essentially makes it illegal to be a trans youth and to assist anyone or to give them a affirmation that you acknowledge their right to exist. And so, as a former school teacher, when dealing with our diverse student population, it's important that we can embrace them according to the reality of their experiences that we experience on the ground. This is another instance of politicians in Austin attempting to do the job of educators the same way that they have been interfering with the administrator's right to determine whether or not they wear masks to class in order to stop the spread of a deadly pandemic. This is compounding the burden on educators, on administrators, on local school. What they need at this moment is support. They need additional resources. This actually spills over into the CRT myth, where we have increased the lack of tolerance in Texas public schools, the most populous public school system in the country.